If your BMW X5 shows a black screen when you try to launch Apple CarPlay, don't worry. It's usually a software glitch rather than a hardware failure. Data shows that 85% of these connectivity issues are caused by temporary communication handshake errors between your iPhone and the iDrive system. Before we start pulling fuses, let's walk through the standard diagnostic sequence to find the root cause. The most effective fix is a hard reset of the iDrive system by holding the volume knob for 30 seconds until the screen reboots. On your iPhone, make sure CarPlay isn't restricted in your screen time settings and try toggling your Bluetooth to refresh the link. If the screen is still black, delete your phone from the BMW mobile devices menu and perform a fresh pairing from scratch. Keep in mind that BMW uses a wireless implementation, which is prone to interference compared to traditional wired systems. As this chart shows, a simple system reset solves the vast majority of black screen issues without needing a dealership visit. Ensure your BMW's firmware is up to date by checking the Remote Software Upgrade section in your General Settings menu. For advanced users, an OBD-I scanner can help identify if the head unit itself is reporting any internal communication errors. Remember, most modern electronics just need a clean slate to resolve handshake errors between the car and your phone. If these steps fixed your black screen, hit the like button and subscribe for more BMW troubleshooting playbooks.